Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to have a discussion on Geographical Indication Tags, that is GI tags. So, we will going to discuss about the news, what is GI, how are GI tags issued in India, first GI tag in India, and GI tags in 2024. So, let's begin with the news. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry set a target of 10,000 geographical indication tags, that is GI tags, by 2030 at the GI Samagam in New Delhi, organized by Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade and India Today Group. Currently, 643 GI tags has been issued by the department. Now, let's know what is GI. A geographical indication tag is a certification that identifies a product as originating from a specific region. The trade-related aspects of Intellectual Property Rights Agreement of the World Trade Organization defines GI. It's a type of intellectual property right that protects the product's reputation and prevents unauthorized use. The GI registry under the DPIIT grant GI tags in India. They protect products' originality, boost local economies, and prevent unauthorized use. Only groups like associations or organizations representing producers can apply. Next is, how are GI tags issued in India? The Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 governs the registration and protection of GIs in India. It came into force with effect from 15 September 2003. The Geographical Indication Registry in Chennai registers GI names. A GI tag is valid for 10 years and can be renewed. Now let's know the first GI tag in India. Darjeeling tea was the first product to receive a Geographical Indication tag, that is GI tag, in India in 2004. The GI tag was given to both the products and its logo. Now let's have a look on GI tag in 2024. Over 60 products from across India has given GI tag in 2024. This is the first time such a large number of GI tags has been given. From April 2023 to March 2024, total 168 products were accorded GI tag in the country. Examples are Bharuch Sujani Weaving from Gujarat, Katak Rupa Tarkas, Banglar Muslan, that is handloom craft, from West Bengal, Banaras Tirangi Barfi, Ratlam Riyavan Lasun, Vanchu wooden craft from Arunachal Pradesh, and so on. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with GS Nexus.